Yo, what is going on, everybody? What is going on, everybody? Welcome to another live stream. November 3rd is the day. Today is Thursday, and we are live and lit. Guys, for first and foremost, I want everybody to go ahead and tap in. Make sure y'all drop the fire emoji. I want to make sure we are live and active right now because yesterday was a good day for us. You know, after news, I had told you guys what's going to happen with the FOMC news, and I'm going to just tell you guys, I'm not always right, but when my confidence level is high, I'm right. So make sure y'all tap in, guys. Make sure y'all drop the fire emoji for me. Make sure y'all drop the fire emoji because, like I said, man, everything I had to say yesterday did exactly what it was supposed to do to the T. To the T. Every trade that I talked about, from Euro, GBP, USD, AUD, Yen, NAS, US30, dollar, and gold, did exactly what I had said. So if y'all not tapped in my live streams, make sure y'all subscribe because, like I said, I'm giving y'all fire info. So first and foremost, man, let's go ahead and talk about the trades yesterday because we had a winning trade. We're currently in a trade now, as you guys see right here. This is what is this? This is US30. I called this out yesterday, right, as a entry day slash really, I guess, a swing trade now because it's been like this for the past day now. So we're still in US30. I actually had to tap out US30 earlier just due to the fact that I originally supposed to have I put in a lot size thinking that the lot size was fine, but ended up being a very high lot size when I seen the news had happened. So I was like, you know what, let me just go ahead and take profit out of this early. So that's what I did. So basically, yeah. So basically, US30, guys, it played out very beautiful. I end up your US30 is still running right now. We didn't hit TP yet. We're waiting on TP1 to still smash for US30. Let me check here. And then also on top of that, we have y'all remember when I talked about that USD yen trade? I talked about this USD yen trade. Yesterday, and I was like, y'all, watch how USD yen drop and then shoot up because of the news. We all have FOMC news yesterday. I told you guys, everybody that was in that sale, I had to get out early once again because my lot size was a little bit too big. But I posted this in the Discord community, and guys, I told everybody this is a trade that I got into yesterday, so this ended up being a winner for us. And look exactly what it played out. We got in somewhere around here. I had stop loss above here, and immediately it went down. I didn't know it was going to go aggressively this far down, but I'll literally tell everybody, watch, I'm about to be in a short long position, meaning that I'm looking for it to come in this demand level that I got this gray box, and it did it. It did it. Come on now, I'm literally giving you guys straight gems right now. All right, gold, it did exactly what it's supposed to do too. I said yesterday, y'all wait on it to watch how market breaks out of this liquidity low. Then it's going to come tap up here and grab liquidity high. It did it. I couldn't get in this because I was in too many other trades. Didn't move way too fast, but it happened exactly how I told you guys yesterday. If you haven't seen my live stream yesterday, it's recorded. Go on my YouTube channel and watch it. But I talked about it, and I told everybody we're going to be selling, but we're only going to be selling right here. And it did exactly what I said. Euro USD. Y'all, look at this. I posted this one yesterday. I was like, look, this is the play we're looking for. I literally said before news when we talked about this, watch how it taps. If it was aggressive, I was like, watch how it comes up, take out of this liquidity high, and then come in this range from this order, or come in this order block from this range, from this swing high to the swing low, and then shoot down. Guys, this is what I said we're looking for right here. Break a structure, create a new low, let it break structure, then pull back, and then you enter right there. Guess what? If I go on a 1 minute time frame, that this exact move that I just printed right here had happened. And I had told you guys, this is our setups. What happened right here? Low. Market made a new low, broke through. Right there, right here, right here. All of these moves is your entries. I said it yesterday. If y'all was doing the opposite, buying it, and not, if you was on my stream buying it and not listening to what I'm saying, this is what I'm talking about. GBP USD, we didn't really get into too much details with GBP USD. Let's see. Alt USD, it did the most random, but the one that got me, guys, was NASDAQ. It did the drop so dramatically fast. Like, I remember, I was like, yo, NASDAQ is confusing me right now because it's dropping. So I'm pretty sure it's going to do the most weirdest random move. And it did. It immediately went up and then immediately went down. But if you guys follow my streams, I talk about range and liquidity phases all the time. I talk about how market likes to grab liquidity down and then up. So what I basically mean is, if market is already trending down, it will usually grab that liquidity to break a new low. When you see a new low is formed, that basically tells you market is still going down. So when it does that phase one of liquidity, breaking that liquidity and then creating a new low, which it just did right here, you have to look for the liquidity high. Liquidity high is equal highs resting in the same area. That's millions of dollars resting that banks wants to take out till they can get that money. So right here is what happened. Now, when they grab liquidity out of that high, it also acts, they will grab liquidity out that high, right, for one, but then they will come into a structural point from that previous range. So what I basically mean is, if market is already going down right here, this is my liquidity low, okay? I see it broke through. That tells me this is still going down. We got a new low. Not buying. This is where everybody wants to buy for whatever reason. Very confusing. I don't understand it. But if the market just broke a new low, we should be selling. So that, now that I've seen that, I'm looking for a liquidity high if there is one. And if there is, that's where I want to see the banks come to, so they can make more money, because they're going to get all of us so they can get richer and richer while we get poorer and poorer. We just keep dumping money in our accounts while they keep taking that money. This is what they're doing. So when they grab that liquidity in phase two, which is that high, they also will act off a structural level from that range after it grabs liquidity. So right here, grab liquidity. Notice this is my range. In that range, where do you see a structural settlement? A structural settlement is when you see a green and a red candle, right? A green and a red candle is all structural strategies you hear on YouTube. Order blocks, supply demand, support resistance, key levels, institutional levels, major key levels, and any other new stuff that they coming out with. But if I was to scale down, I'm on a 15 minute. If I scale down to like a 1 minute, this is all, it looks like an order block right now. But if I scale down on a smaller scale, this will be all supply in somebody else's eyes. Or if I scale out, this will be all a major key level in somebody else's eyes. Or somebody else sees this as resistance or support. It's the same shit. I'm trying to tell y'all, everything's the same shit. I don't care about the name at all. I don't. That's why I just stick to a simple box. I call it a POI, point of interest, because my point of interest means it's all of the above that I just mentioned. It's all of the above that I just mentioned. Literally. Make sure y'all drop these likes, man. Drop the likes. We got 100 people on here, and we need to get these likes because I'm educating you guys right now before we get into trading. Drop the likes. Let's get this to 50 likes, y'all. 50 likes. 50 likes. 50 likes, y'all. Let's get this to 50 likes. Let's get the likes up. Let's get the likes up. $50 likes. I see we got all these people on here. We got to get the likes up. Share this with your kids, your mom, your dad, your spouse. I don't care. Girlfriend, boyfriend. I don't care. So basically, what me saying this is, at the end of the day, I like 10 times better. I appreciate that, man. I appreciate that. At the end of the day, look, at the end of the day, all I'm telling you guys is that you just got to stick to what you know and don't get caught in the lingo with everything else. Because you're going to hear somebody talk about, oh, support and resistance is bad. that trades maybe order blocks. So you're gonna hear somebody that trades order blocks, but they don't know nothing about supply demand. Or you might have a supply demand trader that say, oh man, I don't trade major key levels. It's the same shit. Because the moment you scale out, it's going to be an order block. The moment you scale in, it's going to be supply demand. The moment you scale in, it's going to be some other shit. I'm just telling you guys right now, stop getting caught in the lingo with all of these rebranded fucking names. It's all the same shit. You literally need to understand a reaction. A reaction means how does it look in the chart. All I want you to know is if market does something like this consistently, it's going up. So if it's going up, we need to find out this pullback, where can it pull back to? So if you do that, all you need to understand is the most recent impulsive wave. I talk about true value of supply demand all the time. I talk about anything from the range. Anything from a range is a impulsive trend. You have multiple impulsive trends. This is an impulsive trend. This is one. This is one. This is one. This is one. And then this is a bigger one. So when you see this impulsive trend, you got to ask yourself, where is the supply and the demand? All you got to do is take your Fibonacci, draw it from the most recent low to the most recent high. Once you do that, look for the 50. Anything under the 50 is all demand. You can give it any other name. You can call it the discount. You can call it premium. You can call it happy. You can call it sad. You can call it whatever the fuck you want to call it. I don't care. At the end of the day, all I know is this is my most recent range. Shooting down, came out under the 50, which tells me that is now in the demand from a supply, and we should be going up. That is all I ask for all of my students to do when they trade. It's that simple. All right, y'all. So let's get into some trading now that we talked about. That I just went to a whole jibber jabber. All right, so let's look at yeah, we're gonna look at gold actually, because that's my first on the list. But before we look at gold, let's look at dollar. So with dollar, hold on. So we're not playing with us today. Hell no, I'm not playing. All right, y'all. So with dollar. What do we got going on? I have sit on a higher scale. We're going up, right? We're going up. That's for sure. So not also since we're going up, notice how market is coming into liquidity, right? We got all liquidity resting up here. It looks like it wants to take it out. So what we want to do is, for one, we should only be buying, right, if we're buying dollar for sure. But for one, we want to hit on a smaller scale. We know that we're getting a pullback. This is where everybody thinks the market is going down now. For whatever reason, everybody thinks the market is going down. That's not what's happening. I kid you not, that's not what's happening. It's acting from a range, and the range could either be from this one to here or from here to here. But if it is from here to here, I like to look for a midpoint to my extreme of that range. And what I mean by that is my midpoint is here. I see a structural settlement right here, known as a green and a red candle. Correction, consolidation. Wherever I see consolidation, that's a settlement. So right here, everybody, you can call it whatever the fuck you want. I don't care. This right here is my point of interest. I want market to tap in right here to continue up. If it decides to break through this, what other level do we have that can be a point of interest? Right here. All of this right here. So these are my two levels that I want to see. Now that I see it could pull back, now everybody's like, oh, can we sell on a smaller scale? We could, but we need to see the same setup that we're seeing now in order for us to sell it. So let's go ahead and head down further. Let's make sure this could be accurate. I'm on a 5-minute now with dollar. Notice how we broke this low. Now that we broke this low, guess what I see? I see that we have a range here to here. If I now hit on a smaller scale to look for more details, notice how right here, that's my midpoint. Why did I mark this area? Because this is settlement. It's correction. This is what market likes to do. It likes to come in these levels to fulfill these orders to continue down. A consolidation area is a liquidity area. That is why I always look for a red and a green candle. That's basically what it means in the bankers and the algorithm's eyes. When you see red and green, and it's not going anywhere, equal highs, equal lows, guys, that is billions to millions of dollars resting there. So every time we see correction, I want you to see dollar signs. This is where the smart money concept traders come in play. Every time you see a correction, see dollar signs. Man, I feel like I'm dropping knowledge right now, and I'm making this 20 times easier, man. I feel like this information is so much. I need y'all to drop the likes. Let's get this to 100 likes. I ain't going to continue till we get this to 100 likes. Because I know I'm giving y'all some great, crazy, different ways of looking at market right now. And I swear it is different from any other trader that I'm teaching. The way I'm teaching, man, I'm making this easy for everybody. I don't care if you advance or if you getting started. I'm going to make this simple. I need y'all to drop the likes for me. Drop the likes for me. Here we go. Yeah, I see we getting the likes up. Keep dropping the likes, y'all. All right. Definitely keep dropping the likes. So now that I see this is where money is resting, right? This is where money is resting. I wanted to tap in here, grab some of this orders. We even got orders right here, but I always like to look for the man point. So if market could tap in here, all I need to see is wick rejections, and then boom, we going down. Now, if this does happen, we can now tap into this order here from that bigger scale that I marked up, or we can still come further down, tap into this level here. All right, so that's what I see. That's my play. So if I see this as my play, if dollar is increasing its price now, but long term, at least short long term, it is going to go down. Guess what gold should be doing? Hold on. I'm going crazy right now. Let me get back my thing. There we go. So if dollar's going down long term, we should be going up with gold. So if you guys see right now, gold just tapped into our low right here. All of this is liquidity right now. We got liquidity. I'm still looking on gold to shoot down. Don't get me wrong, but we just tapped into some liquidity right here. Y'all see this liquidity right here, right? All of this is money that, like I said, banks like to see. They want this. This is how the rich get richer and the poor get poorer. So we gonna basically have a nice setup for a scalp move to buy. So if we look here, you guys see here, all we want to see for this one is same exact thing. If market is going to tap up, right, for this short-term buy, where's some levels it can come to? Well, if we look at my range, this is a range that I see, and this is a range that I see. So if we be a little bit more firm on this, I can tell you right now, my midpoint would definitely be up here. I would love to see it tap into. Also, it can even tap into here in this area right here. So if we go down on a 5-minute, we can also, like, this is something called refind it, basically just trying to make it a little bit more detailed. I don't care what y'all do, man. Just understand that every correction is money, billions of dollars. Yeah, hit that thumbs, because I feel like everybody wants like a trade, but they don't want the knowledge, and they wonder why they suck at trading. I swear, everybody wants to trade, but they don't want the knowledge, and this is why they suck at trading. They just want the strategy, but don't want to know why the strategy works, and that's why they suck at trading. Just saying it right now, keeping a buck with y'all right now, straight up. So all right, look. So right now with gold, like I said, I'm looking for it to shoot up. Notice if we can break out of this high, which we actually is doing now. Oh yeah, it's about to be game over, y'all. It's about to be game over, y'all. It's about to be game over. Yeah, not everybody wants the knowledge though. They just want the quick buck. That's why everybody thinks Forex is a scam, because they think, for one, they listen to this network marketing stuff. Like, I'm not gonna name any companies out there, but they think it's a scam because of that. But I don't know where I never knew trading was a scam though. But hey, that's just the people that's unknowledgeable in trading world. But that's cool though. That's why we're here to teach. But yeah, with gold, y'all, I'm looking on it to shoot up. That's a fact. The thing about this one though is we got a lot of range going on right now, and I'm trying to see which one I'm gonna react off of, because I see we got one here, right? And then if that's the case, I also see we got a bigger one here. So this one's gonna be a little tricky for me, but just to have a better risk to reward, I would want it to come down here or tap in here with this level right there. I want to tap into one of these levels right here, because why I'm looking for this part right here in the market is that if we can get it to tap down here, I can have a better risk to reward, you know, because I'd rather have my stop loss resting down here than get in right here where I know it can still come down. So I got a setup already. This is my trade, right? Overall trade would be here into this level up here that we marked up on a higher scale. So let's keep an eye on gold, y'all. Let's go ahead and add an alert here just in case if it taps in down there. Let's bring it up a little bit more so we will be ready sooner. So that's my bias for gold. I'm looking on it to shoot up short term though. Obviously we scalping, so yes, this is all short term. By the way, guys, if y'all don't know what is going on in my live stream, I am actually in the process of trying to grow a $4,000 account into what are we trying to grow it to? Into 40K. So right now we got $8,000 in this account. We had start with $4,000. We got it at $8,000, which is fire. Once I get it to I think probably like 20K, I'm probably gonna take some money out. I might withdraw money at 10K. Honestly, guys, I might withdraw money out at 10K just because I want my money back, of course. But I think that's probably what I'll do. But we will see as it goes for sure. All right. I'm not in any trades right now. I'm not in any trades, agent. No, I'm not in any trades. I am currently looking for a setup with gold. This is the setup. I want to see it come down here, and then from here hopefully see it do something like that and then get in. So we're waiting on that, because with dollar, like I said, I want it to come up and then shoot down, because if dollar can still continue to come up, that must mean gold's got to still continue to come down for a little bit. So we're gonna see what's going on with that. But I got my bias open for a short-term sell with dollar and a short-term buy with gold. But like I said, let's wait. Now, if you want to ask me, you can even scalp this going down too if you guys really want to be that technical. Like on the 15-second right now, I would scalp it, but the spreads for 15 seconds with gold ain't my favorite. I'd rather do a 15-second trade with like Euro, GBP, USD, Yen, all the major pairs. You know, because the spreads is usually always crazy. If you watch all my streams, I think we started. Hold on, y'all. When did we start my streams, y'all? Last week, 2 weeks ago. If you literally watch all my streams, you will see that we've been growing this account. Like, I'll also do some trades offline. That's why you see overall trades is higher than my live trades. But I'll make sure I post those trades in my Discord. But I think we've been live since 8 days ago. So I guess what? About a week ago, I grew this account in about 2 weeks so far. But we're not focusing on how fast how fast to grow my account. If y'all did not know who I am Solo. One of my biggest flex that I will say that I did in Forex is a $1,000 account into $40,000 in 4 days. I have all the proof in my videos. You guys can watch that. It's trading synthetic indices. If you guys haven't seen that, it is in my YouTube channel. That is my biggest flex that I've done on in Forex trading in history. Before that, I did a big flex, but that was years ago, and I could never fulfill that. It was when I did took my unemployment checks when I first started trading my second year, got it to 20K in like a couple months, but then I blew it all because I didn't understand risk. I was greedy. So that was the biggest flex until I took an L with that. So yeah, make sure y'all watch that video. It is on my YouTube. That is my biggest flex. I'm telling y'all right now that I would never probably do again because I over risked the fuck out of my account. I'm not gonna lie to you. Everybody's telling me oh, how much did you risk? I did like about 50% of risking my entire account with that one. But I knew what I was getting myself into. That's the difference. I knew what I was getting myself into. That's why I only put about $1,400 in that account to see what was possible. And I was like, wow, it's game over. So yes, Forex, you can make a lot of money, like a lot of money. I mean, I seen somebody on YouTube did a $10 flip into $10,000 in a month. $10 into $10,000 in a month. Like the sky's you know what I'm saying? There's so many dope things you can do with Forex. It's just that you got to understand your mental though. That's the key factor to trading. That's the key fucking factor to trading. All right, so yeah, that was my biggest flex, man. This year, y'all, I'm trying to get this Mercedes. This either I'm trying to get the AMG GLE Mercedes SUV 63 Sport. That's what I'm trying to get by the end of this year. Right, I'm gonna probably put up like, I don't know, right? I'm still working on my credit, man. Like, all this happened out of nowhere. Like, all this stuff that is happening now happened out of nowhere. So my credit wasn't the best. So I've been trying to work on my credit. Once I get that to A1, which is doing good, I got people fixing it for me. Yeah, man, I'm probably gonna cop that, or the Audi RSQ8, which is the same as the Lamborghini Urus, same engine and everything, just different body. That's my goal, to get that car too, though. But yeah, I'm a definitely do some shit like that, man. All right, guys. So what are we talking about? We talking about gold right now. We're trying to look for opportunity. I'm trying to look for possibly opportunity to sell gold, to short it. This is gonna be a super risky trade, but I wanted to tap in here and then shoot down. But I'm on a 15 seconds, by the way, guys. No, that's what's up, man. RSQ8, yeah, that's something that I was thinking about getting to. I'm looking on it I see it's breaking out of this order block or this POI level, but you know, we're gonna see what happens. My extreme point would be up here. I'm on a 15-second time frame, y'all. Looking to short down here. Hey, y'all, let's get this to 100 likes. Let's get this to 100 likes. All right, in a bit we're gonna look at some other trades, but I'm really eager for this one right here to work. I need to see, like, since I'm on a smaller time frame, I need to see like a double top. I need to see a double top with gold. Like I said, y'all, I'm on a 15-second time frame. I'm looking to do a one-on-one trade here, and then I'm looking to take the trades down here. I need a low to happen. Let me see a low. Liquidity resting at a low. Everybody go ahead and like the video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. All I do is drop gems, drop knowledge. Like I said, if you're new, my goal for these streams is to grow my $4,000 account into 40K, which we already got it to 8K so far, which is dope. But my overall goal is to do 40K. A cup and holder. See, this is what I'm talking about. These names is killing me. I don't even know gold making a cup and holder. What the hell is a cup and holder? See, this is what I'm talking about. These names is killing me. A cup and holder. I guess it's something where you see a cup, a C or something. I don't know, man. That stuff don't interest me, though. That's what I'm saying. It's these names that be getting me. It's just rebranded. But that's what's up, though. That's what's up. I ain't knocking that off. I'm not knocking the way you look at it, bro. If you think I'm knocking you, I'm not. I'm just it's just funny that these names I be seeing, I be like, people be telling me like, you've been trading this long, you don't know. No, I don't want to know. I don't need to know. Because the way I see it, I don't see it. I don't see the lingo like you see it or understand the lingo. If I see something going like this, a V shape, that don't mean nothing to me. That just means if we break out of this high, then we do, which we are now, possibly. So then this becomes invalid, this trade. I'm not getting it. However, like I said, I'm still waiting on gold to shoot down in order for me to get in my trade, guys. Like I said, in order for me to get in my trade, it has to come down here. I was just trying to look for opportunity to sell it down here for now, but we don't have one yet. So I'm not forcing nothing. I'm not even buying it either because my setup is here, not here, not here. That's forcing a trade that doesn't exist in your trading plan, if you have a trading plan. Hey, welcome, man. I appreciate all the people that's from India, man. I love that. I love that. If you're all from India, I appreciate it. Man, I appreciate the love, man. Yeah, like I said, man. And we got 100 likes. That's what's up. That's what's up. We gotta get this to more though. So we still breaking highs, y'all. As you see, that must mean that market is still going up. Let's go ahead and look at some other pairs now. Let me get out to 15 seconds before I confuse myself. Let's look at Euro. Oh, wow. Euro is shooting. Let me get this out the way. Euro is shooting up just like we want. By the way, Euro is going down, y'all. Euro is dropping. And then if you see right here, we got a lot of liquidity build up. All down here. And that being said, guess what? I'm looking on market to tap in down here. So where are some levels that we can see it pulling up before it pulls down? This will be considerably one. However, I just noticed that one right there. So I want to see market possibly tapping up here or even coming back up here if possible. So let's wait on this one, guys. So we're going to put an alert here. And then if it comes past that, my next alert will probably be somewhere up here. The same way. All right, so you said how to grow a small account. Same way I'm growing my account. I got a $4,000 account turn into 40K. That's a small account. It's no different from $1,000 or $1,000 account. It's no different from $100 account. It's no different from a $10 account. So what you're watching me right now do is exactly how to grow a small account. No difference. No difference. Just continue to watch my streams and you will know exactly how to grow an account. Like I said, I grew a $1,000 account to 40K. If you haven't seen that video, if you haven't seen that video, it's in my YouTube. But that was more, I was over risking my account. Like I was doing 50, 60%. But this time I'm showing you guys better risk to reward. What size do I need to make? About 5K a day. It's really not about the size, man. And I know you probably hear this and you hear a lot of people say this. It's not really about the size, but you really need a decent amount, like a decent amount. If you trying to do 5K a day, yeah, brother, you're going to need a funded account for sure. You're going to have to invest in a funded account. Because I'm going to be honest with you, me consistently, I don't even make $5,000 a day consistently. And I got a $4,000 account right now. Yes, I got it to 8K in I think in almost 2 weeks, right? But at the end of the day, it's more to that. You know what I'm saying? There's a lot more to that. I don't even make $5,000 consistently. I have a funded account, but I barely trade it because I have more flexibility in making more money with my personals account. Like I got a $4,000 account. I got another account that's at 2,000. I got another account that's at 3,000. You know? All my accounts, I keep them small because I know I can grow them long term and I got patience. This isn't my only stream of income. That's why my patience is probably a lot better than a lot of other traders because they need this. If you need this real bad, you're going to fail because you're making this your priority, meaning that you're going to be forcing trades. That's why I always tell, if you got a job right now, continue working your down job until you really see consistency, like small consistency with Forex. I remember when I was making $100 a day consistently, I was happy as fuck with that. Then I got to $400 a day. My average would probably be now a day, average consistently wise, I'll probably say 8 to 1,000 losing to winning trades total per day. That's usually my average. that I'll do per day, 8 to 1,000, and I'm fine with that, man. I only probably withdraw like 6 to 8K, probably like every 2 weeks to a month on my Forex account. I just did a $5,800 withdrawal today, on one of my other accounts, and that's just like fine with me. That's fine with me. You know what I'm saying? I'm not looking to make a shit ton of money yet. I mean that's my goal, but right now I'm all about persistence, and I'm just gonna be patient about it. It's gonna come. Everybody got their own time different. There's some traders that's now making, that was a year ago making only 100. Now they consistently making 10,000 a day. That's cool. Everybody got their own journey. My journey different. I do a lot of other things too than just trade. Like I just got a whole Peerspace spot, right? Like I'm gonna be doing pop-ups. I got a whole Peerspace spot that's gonna be my passive income. I'm gonna be letting people rent out my spot that I just rented out, like $100 an hour. That's money. That's extra money in my pocket. Y'all go to shooting up. I already know the drive's gonna be crazy, so we're gonna sell it soon, possibly. We're gonna counter trend trade. I'm gonna show you how I counter trend trade though. Even though it's going up, everybody's like, "Oh, you should be buying." I thought you said sell it. Yeah, I did, but like I said, you can counter trend trade if you know what's going on. So I wanted to break out of this low, but it's got to pull back and create a high first, because I don't know if it's gonna tap in and then boom. But if we were to break it, the next areas of structure I see is there. So let's see. I'm on a 15. Let me get on a 30-second. Let me just get my short position ready just in case to see. Yeah, this would be perfect. A nice one-on-one trade. Although that's what's up. You got your own spot. You got a spot in Miami. That's what's up, man. Yeah, that's what's up. Patience is key. Patience is key. Risk percent per trade. My risk percent per trade right now is averaging from 15%. No lie, right now. It was actually set at 5% until I got 100% back on my account. I put $4,000. Now I'm at $8,000. So my account is at 100% gain right now. So that being said, I will be looking to increase my risk percent. And if you guys don't know what risk percent to actually go with, if you come to my calculator here, which I will put it in the chat room, this will tell you. So let's say if you got a $8,000 account, that's what I got right now, and I got my leverage set to 500, and I'm risking 15%, which is very high for a lot of people. That's fucking crazy. Obviously, if you're doing a funded account, this is what I'm saying. My personal account, I go a little crazy, but my funded account, I always keep it at 2%. The max is 2.5, but I always keep it at 2%. Always. So if I got a funded account, I always keep it at 2%. But my personal, I go a little crazy because I know I can, and it's my account. It's my account. I'm keeping it authentic with y'all. I'm not gonna be, oh yeah, I only risk 2%. Fuck, I don't. That's a lie. Because if it's my personal account, I'm going crazy. But if it's a funded account, obviously I can't risk that much. That's why I don't trade my funded account as much for that purpose. Y'all probably say, oh, your risk is bad. Well, it's not bad if you know what you're doing. It's so subjective with trading. You just got to understand it. So let's say that I get in this trade. Let me see what lot size I should do. If this trade goes in my favor, this is the lot size I should do. We're looking at gold, which I'm waiting on this setup for gold. It's some metals. It's gold. We're going to get in at here. Profit level. This is a simple one-on-one trade, by the way. Profit level here, and then stop loss. It's going to tell me 22 pips out. And then stop loss is going to be here. So it's telling me I can do 5 lots, risking 15%. If it goes in my favor, I make obviously 1,200. If it doesn't, I lose 1,200. I'm fine with that. I got my account at 100% already. So I increased my risk a little bit, right? But I increased my risk a little bit. But yes, I got my account at 500%. I got my account at 100% right now. That doesn't mean I'm gonna have it at 100% by the end of the year. It might go back down to 20%. Typically, I'm gonna be real authentic. If a trader tells you, "Oh yeah, I do 100% on my account every month," they cap. They cap. Because I know once I get my account, at a certain amount, you know, I'm a slowly progress it down. Like usually when I get to 5 figures in the account, like, you know, $10,000, I slowly drop it down because, you know, I already got it at 5 figures right now. So it's kind of like, if I was to risk, let me go to this other sheet right here is a compound risk. It kind of tells you what you should do if you got a certain amount of account. So if I got $10,000 account and I'm only looking to risk 2.5%, you know, I'm looking, or not 25%, goodness gracious, 2.5%, that's basically what, you know, 2.5%, I'm risking, that's basically $250 I'm going to be risking on that account. Or gain-wise, I'm going to be basically making $250. So, you know, it just all depends, man. So we're going to go ahead and put an alert here just in case for gold, because we're going to be looking for some sales possibly soon. Because I'm looking at dollar right now, and I see dollar is trying to break out of this high, because this is my range from up here to down here. I see a lot of y'all dropping comments. I got to pay attention to my chat, man. Let's see what y'all saying, because y'all matter, obviously. Okay, so GBP USD, bro. Thank you, Key. I'm trying to understand what you're trying to say. You trying to say, look at that? Me, bro. I don't know what you're trying to say. Let's see. Same here on my funded account. Never risk more than 2.5%. Yep. Which time frame above I should be looking at for structure when trading on the 15? If you trade on the 15-minute above, I'll probably say the 1 hour for sure. 1 hour and 4 hour. Is your funded account sort of a retirement savings? You can look at it like that, but you know, you're still working. So I don't know. It's up to whatever you want. I don't even look at it like that. I just have a funded account just to have one. But you can make it a savings if you want to. Or you can just get a Roth, or you know, you can just get you a Roth. You can do indices on, yes, you can also do indices on the calculator. Solo, why don't you use the magic keys? I don't even know what that is. I see people talk about it, but please enlighten me on the magic keys. I hear people talk about it. What time frame I should be look at for structure when trading on the 15? Okay, I just answered that. Hey, Solo, so you were saying wait for consolidation, and do you use that consolidation as a key zone to retest the breakout? I use my consolidation as a factor of market coming to grab the orders, because every consolidation, let me just did something. Every consolidation is a oh, look at that. Okay, perfect. We're about to break through. Yeah, every consolidation, guys, is what I'm basically about to say. Every consolidation is what I like to say, a bunch of orders just chilling, right? And that's why everybody's always talking about an order block, or, you know, why market always comes to an order block and then go the other way. You know, that's because there's a bunch of orders right there. Or they also say major key level, support and resistance level. That's because those are where the money is at. That's why they come there, take it, and then shoot back down or shoot back up. And I was telling you that's what I look for. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna get in gold for a 1-on-1 trade. I'm just waiting on this to break to see what happens. Damn it, get out of my way. And it says I gotta get in 5 lots in order to keep about 15%. Yeah, see, on the 30-second with gold, no matter what broker you got, the spreads are just going to be up there. Entry on the 30-second, by the way. Okay, let's see what gold does. No, it is gonna take off to the upside. I know that. I know that. I'm just doing a extreme risky extreme risk scalp move right now to the downside. I'm on 30 seconds. All right, so while we wait to see that one, what is dollar? There was another trade I should have sworn we was looking at. Oh yeah, it was euro. We waiting on euro to tap up here too before we sell it. Waiting on euro to tap past this right here. If it does, this is my area of selling for sure. I put 2% risk every time. Oh, that's what's up. Okay, I didn't know that's what the magic keys is. Okay, that's fire. And does my lot size and everything for me. That's what's up. Yeah, I never use the magic keys, but that sounds pretty fire though. I like that. I like that. It's pretty dope. Guys, I see we got 200 people. Let's go ahead and hit the like while we wait on some of these trades to hit. Go ahead and hit the like for me. So right now we waiting on gold, or not gold. Jeez, we waiting on Euro USD to get up here. I'm in like the most quickest scalp ever for $1. Like I said, I'm just scalping the mess out of this one right now to the downside for a nice little 1-on-1. With dollar, like I said, I want to see it tap up here. This is my point. I want to see dollar tap up too. If we go back on my 5-minute time frame, I have mentioned how this was my range right here, midpoint range, right? So we kind of want to see what happens. Other than that, what else we got going on? I'm not interested in GU right now. We getting a lot of consolidation with USD yen, but I'm looking on USD yen to shoot up long term. Definitely looking on USD yen to shoot up long term. And then with GBP yen, we're gonna get into that one too. We ain't even talk about NASDAQ yet. We are still in our US30 trade that I called out yesterday, by the way. Guess it's just gonna end up being a long term trade. Y'all drop the likes. Let's get this to 150. Let's get this to 150. If we get a pullback, I would like to see it come right there again. Hold on. Before I talk about GJ, I'm still looking at some other trades. All right, so real quick with US30, like I said, I called out a trade earlier. I know somebody asked me, can they re-enter on US30, and I said yes, absolutely. Your re-entry for US30 will have to be coming and some of these consolidations. This is all orders that needs to be fulfilled. And when I say orders that need to be fulfilled, I'm basically referring to, this is liquidity resting here. For those that don't know what liquidity is, it's just a pool of money that the banks see that they want. I say the saying all the time: the rich get richer, the poor get poorer. This is how they get richer. They know there's money resting there because they create this pool. They understand them creating this pool is going to be people coming in there like fish, you know, worms. You put in a worm in the ocean, and you just coming to get it. It's just a setup. That's what they're doing. So this is a level of interest for me that I wanted to see market tap into. And then for those that's interested in this is where market could tap into. Otherwise, if it breaks further out, the next area that I see it can come up to is here, this level right there. So these two levels are interest because this is my range. I have a range from here to here. My bigger range is from up here to down here. So this is why I'm also cognizant of this one too. So if you are looking for a re-entry with whatchamacallit, you know, then we can look for that sell. US30. So let me put an alert right up here. You're gonna put an alert right there, y'all. Let's see what's going on with dollar. I mean gold. Yeah, it's coming in this area that I see earlier. It just needs to react quicker. Damn, what happens if I bring my stop loss up here? That means I gotta have my TP down here more to this area of an order block. Right there. Okay. Also, this is my high right there. Cool. Yep. This makes sense for me. All right. So, yeah, you can short go. Yeah, I mean, I'm shorting go right now. Yeah. Yep. Like I said, I just know, like I said, if it comes up, it can definitely come up to roughly, yeah, to this area right here is what I'm seeing. But I'm on a 30-second, so I always tell anybody and everybody, hey, 30-second ain't no game, man. It's not for the weak. It's not. It just moves 20 times faster, and it will scare the fuck out of you, literally. You know, especially if you putting your all into this trade, it's gonna scare you. For me, like I said, I already got my account at 100%. I usually don't do 30-second trades until my account is at a certain amount where I can risk a little bit more. You know, that makes sense. Otherwise, if I'm doing 30 seconds, I would still do it, but just my risk would be so light. So light. So we waiting on US30 to hopefully tap in on this level of interest here before we short anything. Euro, gold. What other trade? Let's see. Yeah. And we got our dollar. Cause I said with dollar, we coming into a lot of levels support, right? You can tap in here, or it can even come further down to. It's all of this area is of interest for me, so I want to see what it does. A backtesting program. The only backtesting program I know is TradingView. That's what I recommend. What lot size should I use? You gotta go to my calculator right here. This calculator right here. It's gonna tell you everything you need to know. Whatever your account size is, whatever you're gonna enter, cause I can tell you whatever, but it's all based on your actual pips. How far is your pips? How far is your, your stop loss? How many pips is that to your TP? You can have 30 pips, you can have 40 pips. Use that calculator right there that I just put in there to figure all that out. It's gonna tell you exactly what your lot size should be. exactly what your last shot should be. So I see market is acting off of that support level right here perfectly. This is dropping. Hey, make sure y'all like the video if y'all have not already. This is doing Euro USD is doing the same thing, y'all. Dropping. 1 minute time frame right now. Entry right there, stop loss there. 1-on-1 trade, y'all. Definitely get in this too. Oh shit, it's already dropping. But that's my 1-on-1 trade with Euro right there. And then, if it does come on 1-on-1 trade, how far out could it come to? Oh, look at that. It can tap further down here if it wants to. If I can get this to hit TP, I made 1,000 off this trade. But we gonna see, man. Do ECN for Henko trade. Do ECN for Henko trade. Y'all drop the fire emojis if y'all really like the streams and liking what I do with the streams. Drop the fire emoji. And then let's get this video. Let's get this likes up. We got 200 people watching. We don't have 200 likes though. Let's get the 200 likes, y'all. Right now we are trading gold and Euro USD. Who you know trades seconds like that? Yes, sir. Keep dropping that fire. Keep dropping that fire. Stop playing. Let's drop the fire, y'all. Let's keep this going. Yeah, it's too late to enter in Euro right now unless we wait on a pullback, which I'm seeing if we can get another pullback. But drop the fire emojis, y'all. Drop the fire emojis. Keep dropping the fire emojis. Let's see if we can get this account up right now. Keep dropping the fire emojis, y'all. And like the video. Like the video. Drop the fire emojis. Like I said, Euro, USD, and gold should be the two trades we could be in right now. I'm not in Euro personally, but yes, Euro, USD, and gold is the two trades. Here, let me go back to showing you. Oh, wait. Okay, yeah. So Euro USD, if you want to re-enter, we will have to get a pullback. The levels that I'm now seeing, I'm just waiting on. Yeah, we got structure. I was waiting on structure to form a little bit more, but if you want to re-enter, it has to possibly pull back here. With the gold, if you want to re-enter, it's super choppy right now. Yeah. All right. Re-entry for gold can be literally where price is at coming at right now. So at 1669.065, which is literally what I tap into possibly again. It's just being choppy right now. It's actually being real choppy right now. Yeah, I mean, if you guys are in gold, yeah, definitely want to get in gold for a. I'm in a second time frame. Y'all don't understand what I got going on. I can see. Like I said, for Euro, you can get that quick scout. And then right now will probably be re-entry, but you gotta wait on a power candle that's telling you to drop or sell it, not drop. Y'all know what I meant. And then USD30, we waiting on it to tap into this order block right here before we look for sales. All right, y'all, hold on one sec. I'm about to go grab some water. I'll be right back. All right, y'all, I'm back. All right. Yeah, the Euro trade was a quick scout. That's for sure. Okay, we finally broke through this liquidity right here. That's what I wanted to see. Liquidity phase 2. This is liquidity phase 1. Tap down, broke that. Now I'm looking for the down move to actually happen. Euro. Oh, we got another re-entry for Euro for sure though. Let me see something. Where is? Yeah, I see we consolidating right now in seconds. For dollar. US30 still in heavy consolidation. I'm waiting on that big move, man. If we go to CFDs, let's go to VTI. Let's see what's going on with this. We got this gap. We always get gaps with VTI. Yeah, man, I could see it. I could see yeah, I definitely see NASDAQ and US30 and even S&P shooting down for sure, because right now we're getting that minor up move. We're getting that minor up move right now with VTI. So that definitely tells me with US30 we're gonna get that minor up move too. Just waiting on it. My TP for Euro USD, I got 0.97712, and then also I'm looking for it to tap in down here too at 0.97610. I already see we breaking down for Euro. That's what's up. Let me see. All right, so now with my gold TP, I'm gonna type it in here in the community or in the stats right there. That's my TP for gold. For Euro, the way gold is moving so choppy right now, man. I'm kind of like, why we not moving as fast as Euro right now? But anyway, patience is key. We gotta think of that. This is my TP1 for Euro USD. Let me TP2 is actually, hold on. All right, yeah, that's what's up. By the way, like I said, guys, we are still in US30 for a long-term sale. If we want to re-enter, it has to tap up in this order block. I'm looking at it to come around 32,103. Once it comes in there, I got to see what price tells me. All right, y'all, we just hit TP1. TP1 is hit with Euro USD. If you want to still ride this trade, move your stop loss to break even. And then let it ride down to TP2. Otherwise, take half out now, take half out now, take half out now. Let me go ahead and correct this, y'all. We just hit TP. Gold ain't moving as fast, and I'm very surprised right now. I want gold to do this and euro to do this. What gold is doing right now. By the way, that for those that's entering, the trades that we just took on euro and gold was off a 30-second time frame. It was a 30-second time frame entry. If it's TP2, this is still a winner regardless. We already hit TP1, so at this point it's either a break-even trade, risk-free trade at this point, or you made money if you took out the trade or took half out. It's up to you. Don't ask me. It's all up to you. Just make sure you make it risk-free if you can. That's just the only thing I gotta say. Just make sure you make it risk-free if you can. For real. Because long term, I'm looking on gold to shoot up. Right? This is my main. This is if gold shoot up, this is where I want it to come to for it to shoot up. But short term, 1 minute entries, you know, I'm looking for that pullback. And this is how I look for it. When I always counter trend trade, I don't try to risk too much because I know the overall risk is super extreme. So I just try to keep it very, you know, calm if possible. Why are you bullish on gold long term? Because with dollar's a long term buy. Well, not long term buy. Sorry. With dollar, it is not a long term buy. Sorry, I confused you. With dollar, it is a long term short, like a long term mid term short. So what I mean by that is, if you just coming on here, I had said earlier that dollar is going to shoot up here, right, and then continue down further to here because of the bigger right here. Look, this is the bigger pullback that I see for it to shoot back up. So if dollar's going to do that play, short term wise, gold is going to come down and then look for it to continue to shoot up. And then if dollar's going to shoot up long term, that means dollar's going to come in this area and then shoot down. What's up, PS? So that's why I am what I am right now with gold. That made sense. I said, y'all know, man, if y'all follow me, y'all know when I'm right, when I'm confident, you know, when my confidence level is high, and the only way my confidence level is high is when I got everything aligning. That's when I'm like knowing, look at this. I'm out, y'all. I'm about to get out because I'm already up $700 in my account. Look at it, tapped in there. Yeah, I'm out. $700 I just made off that. I'm out. Yes, sir. But yeah, I'm still looking on gold to shoot down. I'm just out. I'm gonna get on another entry. I don't know. Gold is just, why is gold is like trying to play with me right now? Because it's supposed to be dropping faster, like euro right now. The same way euro is dropping, that's what I wanted gold to do, and I wanted euro to be what gold is doing, very choppy right now. But no. I don't trade oil, so that's why I don't talk about it. But yeah, we about to hit TP2, y'all. Look at this. This is beautiful with euro. I just got so much into gold. I wasn't personally able to get it, but hey, I called it, so we out. We in. I mean, not out. Y'all see dollar so far is doing what I had said it was supposed to do, what I wanted to do, which is beautiful. Y'all need to tap in. I don't just tell y'all what trades I get in. I give y'all explanations of why that hopefully makes sense. Y'all make sure y'all like this. Let's get this to 200 likes, or I ain't sharing another trade. Yo, let's get this to 200 likes. Why should we buy UJ if I just said gold is going? Or are you talking about? Okay, I think I know what you're talking about. You saying if dollar shoots down, buy UJ? Yeah, you can buy UJ, but I'm not looking at that right now. Main focus is dollar. I mean, yeah, we're looking at dollar to determine our two trades, which is gold and euro. Y'all, get out of let's get out of Euro USD. Close out all your trades in Euro USD. We just hit TP2. Look at that, man. We just hit TP2. Because I know some brokers, TP2's already hit. Some brokers is not. That's what I'm telling y'all to get out. I'm going to put this here so y'all know this was a 1 or 2. TP2 smash. Beautiful. Let's wait on this one to come down further. And then y'all, I already got out. I'm pretty sure y'all got out when I said I got out. I think I said get out. I'm out. Appreciate the subscribes, by the way. We eating today, man. We got 2 winners today so far. Off of 30-second entries. Trading against. Well, everybody just told me in this chat room, oh, why are you not buying? That's why. You buying, but I'm selling because I know what is going on. Unless you were looking at a higher time frame, that is a different story. But I am a true scalper, meaning that I will scalp the mess out the market on seconds if I have to, because I know what's up. TP1 smash. We got 2 winners. If we want to keep riding this trade, we can ride it down here. Otherwise, my main goal is down here, but I'm not interested in that right now. Here's what I'm looking at. TP2 is smash, baby. So we're doing pretty good. I didn't get in a euro trade, so I got to put 21 overall. Yes, get out. We got our 1-on-1. You got 2 wins. Hey, everybody drop the fire emoji for that. He said I'm sorry. You said you got 2 wins off of the live stream. That's what's up. Drop the fire emoji if you guys drop the fire emoji if you guys finding value. So I didn't get in a euro trade, like I said. That's why I didn't put the overall trades for me personally at 22. But if I would have, that's where it would have been. Right now we are doing good. I made $700 off that trade, right? With just literally trading gold right now. So we're doing good for the day. I didn't get in a euro trade. I did not get in a euro trade though. I called it out. I didn't want to get in it because I would be actually risking more and more than I would. I was already risking 15% because if you guys seen what I posted earlier, this calculator, I had said I had $8,000 in my account, and I think I wanted to do 15% risk. I had metals. We're going to do this real fast so I can show you. I had it set at gold. Let's go find my entry. My entry was here. My TP was, put TP here, 30 pips. Stop loss should be 30 pips too because this is a 1-on-1 trade, I think. So it should be about 27 pips. Okay, so that's good. So I shorted. Oh, it was supposed to be. It was originally 5 lots, but I guess I moved it a little bit. So yeah. So I did 5 lots with the trade. And overall, yeah, I would have probably made I think overall I was supposed to make like 1,000, but I just capped it at that. Yeah. So I did 15%, and that's why I didn't get in a euro trade. I didn't want to do too much of risking. So that's why I didn't get my euro trade. But hey, if I did, I would have won it. Y'all seen that it was a W for us. Make sure y'all like the video, man. If y'all like these, make sure y'all like the video. The likes is what keeps me live. You know what I'm gonna start doing is this. Hold on. Hold on, y'all. I'm gonna add something. So for those that's just tuning in, y'all know exactly what is our today's loss and today's wins. It's way too big, y'all. All right, there we go. I had to add that in there. All right, cool. Yeah, hit that thumbs up for me. Hit that thumbs up for me, guys. Appreciate y'all for saying that. Hit that thumbs up. Can we re-enter? Can we re-enter in gold? Absolutely, y'all. We can re-enter in gold. But my problem is understanding the structure right now, because this is the liquidity that is being grabbed. It's trying to grab liquidity right here, so it needs to come up higher. Which damn, it's about to do it. Let's see. You need to grab this liquidity out. Only area that I see that I'm interested in would be right here. Be right here. So I need to see more, man. I need to see more with gold. But we got a 1 or 2 with this one. Right now we got a 101. We only got a 101 because if y'all would have still wrote this trade, I never really had a 1 or 2 with this trade in the beginning, just a 101. I appreciate that, man. I appreciate that. Thanks for calling me that a beast. Appreciate that. Yeah, let's get this to 200 likes. Bro, you just lost the gains. How did you lose the gains? You what? Did you make the gains off of this live stream or then lost it trading yourself or what? Oh man, you can't, man. You can't overtrade. Can't revenge trade or get greed. Just because you seen that profit, you can't. Guys, I'm still looking on dollar to shoot up and then drop. We still got to come in this area. We ain't tap in it yet. Because my overall bias with short-term wise on a higher scale is boom, tap in midpoint. If it comes anything up, I mean, all of this right here is all liquidity being rested. So even if it comes above it somewhere here, I'm looking for this low to be tapped out and then create this lower high and then shoot down to this bigger area here based off of this range from here to here. I probably just confused y'all. It's fine. Don't worry. Make sure you subscribe because we talk about this a lot. And I'm looking on that bigger play to grab liquidity from this area. Why am I looking for the bigger high? Because it's been going up long term. We've been going up long term. We've been going up long term. I never made so much so fast. Oh yeah, that's what's up, man. Hey, everybody, drop the fire emoji for him saying that. For them saying that. I never made so much so fast. Drop the fire emoji. Drop the fire emoji. Drop the fire emoji. All right, Duckins, if I'm saying it right, you just said a great question. I'm glad you mentioned this. You said, why do you expect dollar to drop when Feds just raised interest rates? I love this question. So, off of technical, right? When you think of that, yes, long term, if interest rates is rise, long term is going up. That's what's happening long term, though. I'm getting into the internal structure of everything. The internal structure of everything is, if you look inside, market just came from a high, right? A high. Let's use rates for an example. Market is too high right now of interest rate, so it's too expensive. People can't afford it, so it has to drop from a previous range, which is the range that I see is from here to here, or even from here to here, and then it has to decrease for it to continue to go up. So long term, like I said, dollars going up because of what's been happening with dollar, with the news, what's been happening with the technical side. It's going up. But I am entitled of 1 minute. I'm looking at the minor internal structure. So if you're asking me why you see dollar dropping, I don't see dollar dropping long term. I only see it dropping short term for this move here to continue to go up. So great fucking question. Yes, I love that one. That's important because I know a lot of people say and see the same thing. Like, why are you selling it when I see the news telling me that interest rates increase? Man, we still ain't get to this 200 likes. Y'all playing with me right now. Hold on, let me change this. I don't like how this looks. Another trade before the end of the stream. I can't determine the market, but hey, if there's another trade, we gonna see. You know, hit that like button. Yes, hey man, today's my first day trading real money. Glad you're here to help, and that's what's up. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I am still looking on dollar shoot up. My next, but I'm not gonna lie though, I will rather wait on another trade for it to shoot down for me to get ready for gold. Cause right now gold, we could re-enter in gold again, but let me see something. If we re-enter in gold, my 101, let me make sure this one, yeah, this ain't gonna make sense, y'all. Cause this level right here is where market could react off to actually head up further. So we ain't got no setup right now. The only setup I see happening would be it tapping down here. But notice, man, y'all notice how market grab liquidity here. If dollar's going down short term for just a small retracement, that means a small retracement. If whatever happens with dollar is going to be the opposite of anything else. So if dollar's going down, gold should be going up, right? If dollar's going down, that means euro should be going up and all that. But it's doing a small retracement right now, right? So like for euro, if we go back on a 1 hour scale, if dollar's going to go down for a retracement, dollar, that means euro is going to go up. So look, I have said, guys, I'm looking my bigger trade that I'm looking for, the one I'm probably going to put a lot more in, is when market comes up here. But I can counter trend trade while the market is coming up here. This is what we were just doing with the 2 wins that we just took. This is what I do. This is how I trade. I trade against the trend and with the trend because I know what I'm expecting. I know how to analyze it to the point where we can get it to there. And that's what I'm teaching you guys. Literally live, not a pre-recorded video, but live. So when you guys hear what I say and see how I trade, I want you to implement the same exact stuff that I'm doing. So when you counter trend trade, you know how to get in a counter trend trade. You don't just gamble a counter trend trade saying that, oh, I'm only going to get in this because I think it's going up because of this and that. You got to have an actual story. You got to see market telling you that. So if my long-term bias is really, my long-term bias is sell, hands down, for euro. And then my long-term bias for dollar is up. So if that's the case, then that makes sense. But short-term, internal-wise, we broke this structure right here. So that tells me we're going to be doing a small retracement going down to continue up. So if that's the case, I need to understand where's my range at. I talk about this all the time. In the range, you're going to see corrections. A correction is money. Wherever you see a consolidation, if you don't know what consolidation is, it's basically where you see stagnant. It's not really making new highs and new lows. That's billions of dollars right there. So in that, inside of a range, you're gonna see billions of dollars somewhere, just chilling. It's just like waiting for it to be taken. That is what the banks are going to take. So they're going to get to that. When they get to that, they're going to now do the reaction on a higher scale and drop further down. So that right here, this little, what we in 1 minute, all of this correction right here is millions of dollars right now. All of this right here on a 1 minute scale is millions of dollars right now. So imagine what all of this right here is. So it will make sense for market to even tap out and come up in this area to grab even billions of dollars right here. So if it grabs that, that is when they're going to now create another range, another impulsive. That's what I mean by range. And they're going to create more pools for everybody to get in and get out. So when we get that, when we get it to tap in these levels, I just wait for it to break the low after it taps this level. And then that's when I know, like, all right, it's ready to go down. And that's what I'm waiting on for dollar to do. So if dollar can do that, that means euro, right? If dollar's going to go down short term as far as just a retracement, that means with gold, we're going to see this, right? Well, this, or even coming here, or probably somewhere here now. Because originally, guys, honestly, hold on, we're going to change this. Because originally, my stuff was here, but now seeing that we just created a new high, this is my midpoint. So I can see it even coming here with gold. And if it taps in here, remember, dollar's going up. So dollar can come up here, or it can come up to all of this right here. It can literally come up to all of this right here. So if that's the case, if dollar's going to go up for a probably like an hour, let's say 3 hours max going up, that means 3 hours max going down. This is where gold can come into. And then once dollar comes down officially, right, from reacting off of this, that means dollar should be coming up from reacting off of this, just like anticipated. Because if we go back on a higher scale, like a 15-minute or a 5-minute, you guys see what's been going on. Dollar's been dropping. All it's doing right now is a bigger correction, retracement to continue down. I hope I did not confuse anybody, but this is literally how you do a true analysis. Man, we need to be at 500 streams right now. I swear to gosh. There's so many people missing out on this knowledge right now. Y'all got to share this. I'm giving it to y'all for free. I watch other live streams, and all they do is just talk about trade. Oh, I'm in this and in that. We do more teaching in my live streams than actually trading, and that's a fact. At least right now we do. But if y'all ain't liking my videos, I ain't gonna keep streaming. If y'all ain't liking my videos, I ain't gonna keep streaming. All right, y'all see, look, we just tapped in. We 1 for 2 right now. Or I mean, as far as our look, I said break even. We didn't even tap into our break even, and we still dropping. Like at this point, you know, trades can still be going with this one, but like I said, I'm out. We tapping out. We're gonna hit some of these levels down here. All of this right now is just noise. So at this point, euro can just come anywhere from here. At this point, it can. At this point, I don't think I'm better than nobody. I'm just telling you what I am doing on my live streams from others. Yeah, hit that thumbs up. Hit that thumbs up. Hit that thumbs up. I live stream every day except for Fridays. I live stream every day except for Fridays. And then I'm gonna be authentic with y'all. If the way I teach is just too much for y'all, that's cool. You know what I'm saying? I feel real good when I know I can help other people, and they be like, damn, man, I appreciate you for describing this as easy, you know, and that's dope. Cause I know there's other people out there, other traders out there that probably do even better than me, or they got it just not even better than me. They just got a different way that makes sense for somebody else. That's why everybody has their own style of trading and teaching. Some can teach, some can't teach. You know what I'm saying? Everybody got their own way of trading and so forth. I just hope that my trading is simplified. I know some people don't like my trading. It's too complicated. Some people do. It's up to you. It's how you take it. I'm not here to please everybody. I'm here to please myself. And when I do please myself, it's all based because I had helped somebody else. As long as I can help 1, 2, 3, that's cool. I'm not here to help 500 people. I would like to see 500 people on here so y'all can see how I trade. And if y'all like it and fuck with me, then we can move on. But if y'all don't, then it is what it is. I'm not finna be like, oh no, you gotta, nah, fuck that. If you don't fuck with me, you don't fuck with me. I'm not here to please y'all. Let's see. Do you live stream? I live stream every day except for Fridays. I do live stream different times because I have a kid and I drop him off at school sometimes. So some days when I do have him, I will basically live stream at 9:15. Otherwise, if I don't, I do at 8 o'clock. Cause I'll be up late also trading sometimes Asian and beginning of London. So that's why my schedule's a little weird. Let's see, you do perfect. You're doing a great job. I'm in Euro USD, but I have a hard time placing my TP. You think it should? Man, I'll get out right now. Just get out. Because at this point, this is all noise with Euro USD. So get out. You can get out. We appreciate you. I appreciate y'all. Solo, please let me know your live stream time in GMT so I don't miss them. Just subscribe and put the notification on. I'm going to just simplify. And for anybody, subscribe and put the notification on because you will get notified before my live stream start. The way you explain is really clear and makes sense. Keep going. I'm listening. I promise. Bro, I've learned a ton from you. You helped me sharp my style and perfection. I missed your analysis on NAS. Can you go over it again? Just do what you do best without referring to other trades unless you're acknowledging their craft. Someone out there is appreciating you. Keep it up. You're doing great, man. To be honest, I was looking for someone to teach and not just trade. So thank you, man. Now I appreciate what you do. Dang, I just found this live, but I've been subscribed to you for a while. I don't know why I never seen this. Appreciate it. Solo is great. Big facts. I appreciate y'all. Do some Asian session lives if you can. And we're gonna actually talk to some stock. Wait, are we gonna actually talk about some stocks? Oh, I don't trade stocks. But hold on, I'm gonna bring that up too. I just joined your trading style. What trading style do you use, bro? I love your honesty. I appreciate all the comments. So the trading style that I use, simplify, is really structure and price action. To be honest, that's really what I focus on. And then somebody said something that also hits me very well. And I like that. I like the honesty coming both ways. You said, just do what you do without referring to others, traders, unless you're acknowledging the craft. That's a fact. And I believe that too for any and everybody. Like because I see some people like talk down on ICT methods sometimes. Like this was last week. I seen somebody said, "Oh, I trade ICT," and somebody was like, "Oh, he's nothing. He's not this and that." Man, everybody got their own way of trading. You got also other traders on YouTube. I know a lot of y'all might know Q Banks. I actually learned from him. A lot of y'all might know Swaggy C. A lot of y'all might know Mamba FX. Like, I never knock nobody's style of trading. There's a lot of traders out there that's doing what they do and they killing it. I just, at the end of the day, as long as y'all can make money and learn from whoever y'all can, cool. Because I had learned from, like I said, the only trader I had learned that I know I learned from is Q Banks, that I know a lot of y'all know. And yeah, and then from there, I've developed my own style. I got into learning Elliott Wave myself. There's another YouTuber that a lot of y'all don't know. His name is called Wave Trader. Y'all can check him out. He talks about trading waves all the time, wave patterns. I learned a lot from him. That's what made me get into Elliott Wave. And then from Elliott Wave, I developed a lot of other things as far as Fibonacci, ranges, impulsive trends, and so forth. And that's when I created this whole thing. And then I heard this concept of smart money, and I took the order block concept, mitigation concept, and my style of trading, and I implement that too. So, when people ask me what type of style trader you are, I simplify and say market structure and price action. Like, I literally created my own style of trading and just simplify it to what I know is simple for me. Like, I used to do a lot with Elliott Wave. I don't even do that. I know a lot of y'all been following me for a long time. I used to do a lot with Elliott Wave. I don't do that. I don't. I just keep it super simple now. Super simple. All right, so let's look at some trades, y'all. Let's see what we got coming up. Agent session. Okay, so let's see what we got coming up. So, all right, so for dollar, like I said, we passed this. We coming into this billions of dollars right here. That's what we're going to call it. We're coming to billions of dollars right here. Luis, do VIP have access to new courses? Yeah, you get access to that. Does MetaTrader 4 works? Yeah, it works. All right, so we're coming to billions of dollars right now. Like I said, this is where we're going to get that drop. Just because it is about to be 11 o'clock my time This is usually dead hour, dead zone, dead time until Asian hits. So what I am guessing is going to happen is that we're going to get a lot of noise possibly in here, just taking out all of this liquidity, because we got hella liquidity being rested everywhere in here. So it's just going to be reacting in here for some time, right? So this is what we're going to do. We're going to create this, and I'm going to post this in my chat room. Hold on, y'all. Let me post this. So this is what I see. I see for dollar, we will be getting a lot of noise inside of here. Once it breaks through, let it break through that low, create a major lower high. And then we're going to be looking for it to react off of here and then shoot further down to tap in this move right here. All right. So give me 1 second, y'all. I'm going to post this in my community. Okay. Due to the trading session hours. I'll be looking tracement towards the downside. It goes. If dollar's dropping, if dollar is dropping short term, then look for buys long term with gold, GU, EU, and etc. All right, cool, y'all. Make sure y'all drop the likes if y'all like these type of streams. All right, cool. Where we at, y'all? All right, let's see. Let's see what y'all say. Yeah, y'all dropping comments. I love it. All right, where we at? Thanks, Solo. Got new. I appreciate the subscription. The subscribe. We always get out of grabbing liquidity. USD CAT good for buy right now. I gotta see USD CAT. Asian London session. I think we looked at any buy position on Euro USD. Not yet. No buying yet. We're not doing any buying yet because look, the trading sessions is about to be dead hour. Like if I pull up my sessions right now, we coming in a dead zone. So I like to call it. Right. If y'all look at, because I gotta remember too, London, it's orange. New York is blue. Asian is red. And then I believe the brown is the two correlating together. But yeah, we're coming into, it's the two correlating together, London and New York. So we just ended with London and New York. Now we get into only New York, but soon we're going to be finished with that. Oh, we got 100 subscribers. Y'all appreciate that, man. I fucking appreciate that. So yeah, right now it's about to be dead zone. Usually it gets quiet around this time though, but it doesn't at the same time. Because if we had a lot of noise happening during London and New York, then New York session might be quiet. That's usually what happens. But sometimes if we get a lot of news, it don't happen like that. So right now we can still be getting some drops, right? But let me just I'll keep y'all updated. Let me just read these comments. Let's see what we got. We can't trade dollar on Henkel trade yet. Nah, we can't. It's cool though. We don't need to be trading that. We don't need to be trading that. It's cool. Or will I do a new high? Simple patience. Appreciate the live. Yo, Swag, what's up, man? Hey, I think you had a funded account, right? I think you still got your funded account. Sway, you still got it, right? Sway TV, I think you still got your funded account. Indices gold drops. Yeah, if dollar is going to drop, that means everything else is going to drop. Or Everything, if dollar drops, everything else is gonna go up. Let's see. Can you check NASDAQ? My guy, please. Sorry for the work. It's talking about sorry for the work. It's all good. If you see it on here, then that's something that we can look at. If y'all talk about a pair that's not on here, I'm not looking at it, because that is work right there. Second time here, loving the insights, in-depth answer. Yo, I appreciate that. Appreciate that. All right, y'all. So, yeah. All right. So, like I said, we're not looking for a major drop yet with dollar. I just want to see it react off of all of this right here. Gold is doing beautiful right now. Like, it's reacting off of this order block that we got, this consolidation. Did you see this little, you see that little black candle right there? That's what I was saying by, that's thousands of dollars, right? $1 million right there. Believe it or not, that's millions of dollars resting right there. They just grabbed that right there. You see that wick? That's what I talk about. They grabbed that. Now they just made more money. Now market's going to go up. They're going to grab liquidity again in some of these areas of consolidation. So for me, once again, you can, now if you buy it, like I said, for me personally, I do see it tapping down a little bit more. I would rather it tap down here. That's why I got my alert line right there. I would rather see it top down midpoint of this range, because this is my overall range. This is probably midpoint of it, and some of these levels down here also. So I want to see it actually tap down there and then shoot up to this high here, because if we go on a 15-minute, sorry y'all, going to 15-minute, this is a downtrend. This is the bigger retracement that I see to go finish going down. It affects it because if dollar is strong, that means everything else is weak. Or that means the opposite of dollar is going to be strong. So if dollar is strong, that means gold is going to be weak because dollar is strong. If dollar is strong, that means euro is going to be weak because the dollar is strong. So if the dollar is strong but euro is weak, that means euro is going to go down. And then for those that trade stocks or mainly indices, you don't want to look at dollar. You don't. So I'm gonna say this again. If you mainly trade indices and stocks like Tesla or Apple or Amazon, you really want to focus not on dollar. You can look at dollar, but your main focus should be VTI, which is like the stock market of stocks. It's like a basic. I forgot how much is in VTI. If somebody know, correct me if I'm wrong, but I think it's like 1,000 in VTI, 1,000 stocks, right, in one basket. So if you were to have a basket full of candy and you were on like a serious tower and you drop it, that means all the other candies are dropping with the basket. So that's what VTI is. And that's what NASDAQ, for those that don't know what NASDAQ and all indices are, it's basically NASDAQ has 100, or I think NASDAQ has 100 stocks in one basket. US30 has 30 stocks in one basket, I believe. And then, which is Dow Jones. And then S&P has 500 stocks in one basket. So if the overall stock market is dropping, that means NASDAQ is dropping. That means this is dropping. That means that's what that is. So VTI would be y'all best friend more so than dollar. VTI affects NASDAQ. Yes. VTI affects NAS and US30 because that is just one big basket of stocks. So if you trade Tesla, if you trade Apple, you see it's going down. That's also another sense of it going down too. So you guys that is heavily faithfully indices, you look at VTI. So like right now, VTI, like I said earlier, I'm looking on it to shoot up to this millions of dollars resting here. Because right now, this is my range that I see from this high to this low. We can even come further up here. But like I said, this is mainly it here. And then if we go back to NASDAQ, I mean, it makes sense, right? For a pullback to happen. And then US30, like I said, we're trying to tap into that. My alert. This is an order block level here. I want to see it tap in here and then see it drop. right now, y'all see we got my account at $9,000. I think if I get $1,000 more, I might withdraw like 1,000, just so I can make sure I can slowly take my money, get my money back out. Because if this account goes left, at least I got my money back. So NASDAQ, you can look at dollar, but like I said, the main effect would be VTI. Haley, I'm not in any trades right now. We're analyzing to see. We already got in our 2 trades, but we could see maybe another trade possibly. But like I said, I'm just looking for a better setup with a lot of stuff. For like with gold, I was still short it, to be honest with y'all. I was still short gold. A lot of people see this as a change of character, break of structure, market shift, new high form, right? Like I said, we don't care for the names in here. We just see that what it's been doing is it's been dropping, right? It's been dropping. And since it's been dropping, I'm looking for it to go down. What do you think about NFP news? Which is supposed to happen tomorrow, right? Oh, you know what? You just reminded me. Yeah, tomorrow we got NFP. I don't like trading FOMC news and NFP news. Yeah, we got non-formals, right? Yeah, we got news tomorrow. I don't even trade on Fridays though. I don't like trading on Fridays. If I do, it's rare, but I just don't like trading on Fridays, man. Fridays, we not going live tomorrow. Maybe, I don't know. We'll see. But I just don't like trading on Fridays. It's usually a day of a bunch of liquidity trying to be made for Monday. Yeah, Vanguard total world stock. Yes, ETF. Yep. That's why I look at VTI. Thank you for sending that in the chat so people would know what's up with Vanguard total world stock. I appreciate that. All right, so what did we do with US30? Yep. We finally going up. All right, y'all. So my bad. We finally going up with US30. We gotta wait on structure to form first before we sell it. I do offer mentorships. I don't talk about it on my YouTube though. You gotta really be connected with me because you gotta understand my trading, and I gotta believe that you actually want to trade. It's not that because I charge a bag on my mentorships. I don't actually. I just like to only like to teach people that knows how I actually trade, so they can, boom. And you got to have some years of experience of trading, because we're not gonna talk about pips. What is a pip, or what is a stop loss or TP? If you don't know it, you gotta watch my videos. But yeah, if you do want my mentorship, you hit me up on only Discord. That's usually how I connect with my mentees. You got to be on my Discord, and it's free to join my Discord, or you can tap into my Instagram and hit me up on there too. So I'm not in my sell still from yesterday. Unfortunately, I had to tap out because, like I said, the news had dropped all the way up here, and when I seen it, I lost $800 off of that trade. I didn't realize I had put so much lot size into that. So, or if that made sense, I didn't realize the lot size that I put would be that aggressive during news. So I just decided to get out and look for re-entry, which I did re-enter in dollar or in US30. So like, if you see, where is it at? Oh, you know what? Yeah, US30. I ended up tapping. Never mind. What I ended up doing was tapping out early because I didn't tap out early. I tapped out early because I realized we was negative $800 or something like that. And then right when it came to like a level right here, I just tapped out and made like $500 off that trade. because I didn't realize that, dang, I put so much in it. So me personally, I got to re-enter, and the re-entry would be hopefully coming soon. But I know I got a lot of other traders when I caught this out still riding this, and I think some of y'all might be still riding this too. Some of y'all still might be riding this one too. I hope so. I rarely call out entry day swing trades. I rarely call it out, but this one I had to. It's just too perfect. All right, so for Euro, let's see what we got for Euro. Yeah, Euro is going to be doing a bunch of noise right now. GBP, same thing. Johnny, I'm gonna answer your question. You said, hey E, I missed what you said, but did you say you stopped doing Elliots? No, I didn't stop trading Elliott wave. I just made it simpler for the style of trading that I do. I just made it very simple. So right now, I'm looking on gold to actually shoot down. Believe it or not, everybody else is probably gonna buy it right now. But I think with gold, honestly, I think with gold, what it's gonna do is probably just doing some correction stuff. Cause we did finally tap into my level here, but I don't know. We're gonna see. Cause I don't know if we're still done with this yet. I think we can still come up a little bit. Cause there's a lot of liquidity here that I'm seeing. So I think it's gonna do a lot of faking out. Because for one, it's already about to be dead time season or session. So someone you don't care about. I like that. You said short gold. I'm not shorting gold right now. I'm just telling you what I see just happening. I still see it coming down. I just want to see where to, because I'm trying to understand that right now. You know, I'm trying to figure that out right now. I'm in Central Time. I'm in Midwest, man. I'm in the cold ass Midwest. Only true G dropping. I appreciate that. Thank you. Thank you. I appreciate that. Oh, snap. We got somebody from Chicago. Anybody from Chicago, we definitely going to have to link up. Definitely gonna have to link up. Hey, follow. Regardless where you from, follow me on Instagram, The Real Solo E, because we will be doing live stream giveaways and social media giveaways. So if you want to be a part of a giveaway, like I said, we're going to be giving away a free funded account. I think it's going to be $10,000 free funded account with Offspring FX. We're also going to be doing a giveaway next week. Like I said, next Monday, we're starting our giveaway with Hanko Trade. If y'all from Chicago, by the way, go ahead and follow me for sure. But we're going to be doing a Hanko Trade giveaway as well. What Hanko Trade giveaway was going to be $500 to 4 people, whoever has the best week. So hopefully we can make y'all this. Hopefully the best week would be next week. We're going to be giving out $500 to 4 people. And then also with Offspring FX, we're going to be doing a free account giveaway as well. And then also we're going to be doing some other giveaways too later down the road. Yep. Yep. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram and tap in, man. Hit me up. Let me know if y'all from the city of Chicago. We can all link up, man. I've been trying to find traders out here so we all can connect and build something, man. I would love to team up and we all can build something dope in the city of Chicago. South Africa, man, in the house. That's what's up. Business promo. That's what's up. South Africa as well. I appreciate that. That's what's up. That's what's up. So if dollar can remain solid with this one, that means gold can remain solid with this one, and we might be able to catch another one-on-one trade. I have to look for the entry once again on a smaller time frame, 30 seconds. We'll see. Oh yeah, if anybody from actual Chicago, like I said, DM me. Let's all link up. From Chicago area, this could be in the suburbs of Chicago, downtown Chicago, 2 hours, 4 hours away from Chicago. Hit me up. Let's actually all link up. Create some dope ass vibes. I was just in Texas too, in Houston. I'm gonna be going to Dallas, and I was in Phoenix, Arizona too. No, I got a couple people from there too. Vegas, that's what's up. We got Vegas too. Okay, guys, so it is about to be dead time, I see. But we do got a nice little potential short with gold. It just has to come back up. It has to come back up. I want my stop loss to be up this one though. Yeah, dollar's going up. I mean, yeah, dollar's about to go up. I just see that we took out this liquidity. I was looking at this liquidity high right here. We took that out. That's phase one. Oh, I gotta do phase one. And then also the low would be this right here. All that liquidity is resting there. You see all that liquidity? Equal lows. Finally took that out. That is your phase two. Phase two of liquidity. Going down the bottom. I'm gonna say that. Phase 2 down. And then that market is going to go up now. If I use my fibs, drive from here to here, this is the range. Yeah, I can see it just coming anywhere here at this point. So that means gold is definitely going to be dropping internally. Yeah. Cool. So yeah, my setup, like I said, guys, is going to be, I'm going to be interested in seeing that. But like I said, some of these levels that we can see it actually tapping into are all of these in here. Guys, if you are not in my Discord, please join, because I went after, you know, during off live stream, I do post my updates, just because obviously I can't be on here forever, you know, but when I am on here, or when I'm not on, I do post the updated like the markups of what I want to see in the Discord. Hey, yeah, whatever y'all from, man, make sure y'all tap in. Wherever y'all from, tap in, y'all, so we all can connect. You know, there's people from South Africa, all South Africa. You know, y'all tap in. You know, yeah, man, let's all tap in. Wherever y'all from, just tap in. Yeah, everyone can link up somewhere. All right, I'm about to post my gold trade. A short term sell. So I'm basically saying if dollar was to shoot down for a short term sell, this means that gold will be heading up for the retracement to continue down, which is the bigger play of action, right? Y'all see on the daily, market is going down, because on the daily time frame, I'm like typing and speaking so y'all understand what I'm saying, because on the daily time frame, gold is a overall seller's market. So this move towards the upside would be the retracement to continue going down. Cool. Keep your eyes open. All right, guys, so that is what we got for gold. Those two levels are my point of interest, the ones that you see the lines, the arrows coming to. For those that don't understand and new to what I got going on, basically, if market comes to any of these levels, I just need it to break out the high and then go up. If it doesn't, then it can probably come here, break out that high, and then go up. I can see gold. Yes, I can see gold still going down, but I'm not selling anything until it comes here. I already did all my selling. I don't even have a setup yet to sell. We did break out this low. Now I'm waiting on a pullback. I'm just trying to figure out if it's going to break out of this high or break into some of these ranges inside here that we don't see yet. Because dollars, like I said, dollars going to come right back up, y'all. Dollars going right back up to take out some of these highs. We got to. That's how they're gonna make their money. They just see it chilling there. And then with US30, like I said, a re-entry is coming. With US30, like I said, we got a lot of levels that we need to fulfill. So I can see market even tapping all the way up here too. Why is that? Because I see this right here is all liquidity. We just grab liquidity, phase 1. Also, I see we got a lot of liquidity resting up here. Phase 2. So the other levels that I see of interest would be market coming up here, creating a low, breaking through, and an entry. Or doing the same thing here, creating a low, breaking through, entry. So let's see what it does. I'm gonna go ahead and tap in and put re-entry. What the hell did I just spell? Re-entry here, as well as re-entry here. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna post this one here. All right, so let's talk about US30 and NASDAQ real fast. So with VIT, we're gonna look at that. If VIT, the stock market, right? Think of this as the total stock market, like what you see here. Think of this as this total stock market. If VIT actually decides to come up, like I said, the areas that I would like for it to tap into is, where do you see all the liquidities resting, guys? You look, that's what you're looking for, right? You're looking for a green and a red candle. Because if you see that on a daily, if you hit on like a 1 hour, it's a bunch of this. If you see it on a 5 minute, if you head on a seconds, if you have seconds on your trading view, it's a bunch of this. So right now, 5 seconds. Let's do 15 seconds. You see, it's a bunch of that right there. That's millions of dollars resting. So that's where I'm looking for market to come to, because I know banks like to grab that money, right? This is where smart money concept traders come and play. So I want market to tap in there. So if I see that it can tap into there, before it taps into there, we got to break out this high for me to confirm it. But if that's the case, then yes, it can come up here and then take out some of those orders that needs to be taken out and then continue down, or it can continue up further and then drop down there. So that is what I see happening for VIT. So let me go back to US30. Same thing with NASDAQ. So like I said, NASDAQ's got to do the same. So we got to grab liquidity. So let me go ahead and type what I see. So US30 needs to grab some liquidity. Hold on, y'all. I'm spelling. Needs to grab some liquidity around what? I think it's around 3220 before shooting down, because the banks need their money. And they see money resting right around there. So if market does tap in that area, then this is where we can look for re-entries. All right, guys, that is pretty much what I got to put in for that. Like I said, goes, yeah, I'm waiting on gold to come to this or here. Let me bring that back though. Yeah, I'm just looking on gold to tap into my midpoint or my extreme point. My extreme point is here. My midpoint is here. Okay, guys. So once again, if you are not in the Discord, that information is up in the chat room right over there. Make sure you guys tap into that if you want more insights of all these trades that I got going on. But other than that, guys, we about to sign out, guys. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Tomorrow we're not live, but if you are tuned in the Discord, we will be going live Sunday, doing live mentorships and talking about what will be going on for next week. Otherwise, I'm gonna see you guys on Monday. I appreciate all the love, support, y'all. Make sure y'all subscribe if y'all haven't already, and like the video. I appreciate it. 2 wins for the day, 0 W's. We got my account at $9,000. We're doing good. We started with 4,000. Now we're at 9,000. And so far so good. So I appreciate that, y'all. We're gonna keep this going. And I'll see you guys next Monday. Otherwise, if you already in my VIP, I'll see you guys possibly tomorrow or Sunday. Everybody, peace. Take care. Enjoy y'all day. Peace.
In Beverly Hills, heard they want my head, this heavy crown. Heard when you're up, they wanna bring you down. This is upstate, with killers, they clutch things. Fourth quarter shooters like C-Web with the sack case. Johnson laid down a verse, he made me rap again. Ain't done a cipher since when Mace was coming back again. This is one take, don't run it back again. This epidemic is epic, gon' make them go cash it in. Yeah.
Straight from the middle, my middle finger erect. It's Xavier or it's Zaddy, make sure you speak it correct. I'm popping for my people, they peeking, peeping my prep. My nigga, get your money, make sure you keep the respect. They steady chasing the clout and we catching paper, it's opposite. Speaking on my name, just make sure you come on some proper shit. Coaching, calling plays, I done got it popping like Popovich. Niggas from my city retire fighting, they pop a bitch. Pop across the populace, eating pasta and lobster with rosé in a cold glass. High hopes and low class, you bitter with your whole ass. Just plant the seed, it grow fast. What you eat is what you grow. Only speak on what you know. Art gon' last forever, but the pain will always come and go. If they saying stay the same, they don't want you to fucking grow. I speak the truth, I bet they feel it for infinity. Said it, then I meant it, bitch, I keep the same energy.
Wave, I'm brave-hearted, no days off, me to pay larger. I'm blind to an op like a Ray Charles. I'm lit with the shit, gotta wait charge. Ahead with the script, gotta late start. Like I'm skateboard P with the babes on. Bet I won't slip on the radar. They thoroughbred me for this, it's a cakewalk. Out to Mars with the bars when I take off. Put a young ray gun with the safe off. Got a digital face and the shit's rockets. Bet I feel safe with a bigger profit. I wanna walk in the bank, then I feel awkward. I wanna cop a big space with a new carpet. Got him off aim on the new target. I'm sick with the way that the addiction paint pictures. I'm all in their face, make them feel nauseous. Big smile on my face, but I feel foggy. No links up, but I'm still logged in. Cardion arms like a Mr. Rogers. Rolling up parsley with the page raw. I'm in the space coupe with the tank garment. Finna burn figure eights till I get car sick. Why nigga clean plate, but he still starving. Late stage ones and I'm still saucy. Big slept on, got him still groggy. Only day one, but I'm still flossing. Got the ink on the brink of the page off. I've been had to work, I'm all out in the fit with the ripped garment. They lost all in the feelings that they've been harboring. Got it lit with it, fit something in his water. I'm mixing up the juice with the gin and tonic. Yeah, I'm a rat at cities, Peter Parker's crushed the meanest chronic. I got hooked the speaking phonics through the speaker boxes. Coat the easel on him, got him head banging like a teeter-totter. Motherfucker streaming, Emma did the beat is solid. I'm a creature on it, made them beat it on it. Had a seizure on it, going easy on him. Wave.